All right, this is a review of McDonald's McCafe Premium Roast Smooth Balance Coffee. It's made from Arabica beans. This is a medium roast. I'm gonna do an unboxing on it. And so it's just like, here's the packaging that it comes from. You can get it. It's the same type of coffee that McDonald's uses for their coffee inside of their restaurants. On the back it says, you know, it's a premium roast, smooth balance. That's yet to be determined. I might do a taste testing and give a review back after I taste it. But here's the packaging that it has on it. It says like the beans were shipped in from South America. All right, so I'm just going to open it up. But first I'm going to look at the front of the bag. As you can see, the front of the bag has this, I guess this is a vent hole. I don't know if this is for to keep the coffee fresh, or is this for, you know, so the customers can come in and take a whiff of it. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm going to do some research about it and get back to you guys about it. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at the beans. At the top it has like this closure that keeps it shut right here. This metal closure to keep it fresh. You can roll it up after you're done. So I'm just going to unroll it, and then I'm just going to open it up from right here. The inside is lined with sealant. I'm going to open it up. And already I can start to smell some of the coffee. And there goes that vent hole that I was talking about in there. You see that down in there? And so that's the coffee grounds. It's like somewhat coarse grain. Smells really great. I'm going to do a taste test and get back to you about the review on that. So stay tuned, or check the description part of the page. I think I'm going to leave a link in that, you know, from the taste test to let you know how it tastes and how it's similar to McDonald's actual coffee. So give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.